Hey, what is up guys, it's Tanmay, your Techie-Bro, and in this video I will be giving you my desk setup tour, so let's just do it. So first things first, the table. This is a custom made table with the massive drawer where I keep the main machine or the workhouse of this setup, my HP laptop. This laptop is connected with the monitor via HDMI cable. Other than laptop, I keep other peripherals like my keyboard, mouse, some wires, earphones, light remotes and some of the boxes of the products. Coming to the main and the most attractive part of this setup is this HP 22ES 21.5 inch Full HD monitor which I bought from Flipkart for 7,500 rupees. This monitor has this frameless design which makes the viewing experience more immersive. It also gives the setup more classy look with this silver frame and stand at the bottom. Now coming to the things placed on the table. On the left we have got this Wemex table lamp for 699 rupees from Amazon. Beside it there is this Bluetooth speaker from Artist which is also my primary speaker for this setup. The sound from this is decent and it solved my purpose until I plan to buy a new full-fledged audio system for my upcoming PC build. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then do it fast as I am going to bring a 40,000 rupees budget PC build video on this channel soon. Click on that red subscribe button so you don't miss it. On the right side there is this USB hub which is connected to my laptop and it makes it convenient to attach pen drives or any other USB gadgets rather than opening the drawer to expose the laptop for connecting them. Then there is this fake plant just to add aesthetic to the setup and feel fresh. Beside it there is this self-made wine bottle stuffed with fairy lights which looks great in my opinion. I've used this multicolor LED strip light for that glow behind the table. I've also installed Panasonic multicolor LED bulb in my table lamp for extra glow behind the monitor. Keeping all these things aside and coming to the desk, which is kept clean except my phone, keyboard and mouse. Talking about my phone, it is the Oppo F9 Pro which I won in the giveaway. If you have not watched that video, then do watch it. The link is in the I button above. I am using this China made wireless keyboard which I bought for just 400 rupees and it solves my purpose. This is my gaming mouse with DPI up to 3200 and it costed me roughly 650 rupees. If you want more information on this mouse, you can watch my video. Now coming to the last gadget on this desk which is hidden below the table is my wireless headphones from Eyeball. They sound decent and the battery backup is the best thing of these headphones. And these headphones rest on this Batman. Well, the headphone stand or the headphone hanger. So that's my setup and I am happy as I finally got this beautiful looking setup of my own. All the links of the product used in this setup are in the description below. Finally, share your thoughts about my setup in the comments below. Don't forget to like as well as subscribe the channel as many more tech related videos are going to come soon. This is Tanmay, your Techie-Bro signing off. Peace.